arbitrationagreements.org. Hello and welcome to our video about what mutual agreement to arbitrate claims is. Today we are diving deep into the world of legal agreements, where we will unpack the complexities and explore the implications of such an agreement. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. First things first, what exactly is a mutual agreement to arbitrate claims? Simply put, it's an agreement between two or more parties where they commit to resolving any disputes through arbitration, rather than through court litigation. It's worth mentioning that these agreements are extremely common in the business world. According to a study conducted by the Federal Reserve as of last year, more than 50% of all private sector non-union employment contracts in the United States included an arbitration clause. So why do so many businesses opt for this? Well, arbitration has some distinct advantages over traditional court proceedings. For starters, it's generally faster and more cost-effective. A recent study found that the median length of a civil court case from filing to the decision was over 1 year, compared to not even 7 months for arbitration. Secondly, arbitration proceedings are confidential, which can be crucial for businesses who want to keep their legal disputes private. In addition, arbitration decisions are usually final, with very limited opportunities for appeal. This is an advantage because parties can immediately move on with their lives instead of spend years going through the appeal process. Make no mistake about it, mutual agreements to arbitrate claims remain a fundamental part of the business landscape. They help manage legal risks and disputes, and as long as both parties understand and accept the implications, they can be an effective tool in the resolution process. If you want to learn more information about arbitration, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You're paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That's the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what do you think about the concept of a mutual agreement to arbitrate claims? Do you have any questions about the arbitral process? Leave your comment below right now. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.